Hello everyone. I just wanted to jump on and send a quick video because I've gotten so many good questions about how the course is being run, where are my assignments at, what if this, what if that. So I am Kelly Ham, the instructor for this course, and you have seen my intro video already about the course, but now I just kind of want to show you a couple of things that maybe there's confusion about using my Moodle page. So I'm going to flip here. You now can see my Moodle page. Mine will look a little bit different from yours because you can see all of the information on my screen versus just the information you need on your screen. This is our Moodle page for this course. If you scroll down, you can see that you have a contents on the left and you can see information down the middle. Here was my original welcome message that I hope that you looked. Here is an office hour if we need it. So if you need to see me face to face, we can jump on here other than email to be able to discuss things. As you come down, you'll see the syllabus, the pacing guide, and this is the sheet that I keep referring to each week whenever I say the assignment due dates sheet, print and keep. When you click on this sheet, it gives you all of the assignments that will be due for this course, when they open and when they're due. We'll go back and open that in just a minute. I want to keep going. There's the exam rubric. This first page is all your information. There's your Pearson MyLab Math link to be able to link, the instructions for that, how to access the ebook, keep going, all this helpful information. What do I do if I'm running this class in an Apple product? How do I get an Adobe PDF? Here's a calculator to use. Here's some problem-solving strategies. Here's where I can post some announcements. Now, you can click the bottom of the screen to go to this next section. You can see course information assignments, or if you scroll back up to the top on the contents, you can click it on the left of the screen as well. Now remember, you're going to see more than on my screen than you because we have different views. Here was your honor code quiz, intro discussion, assignments, the case for literary discussion. Okay, all of those are past due. We're now working into Unit 1. I just want to make this very clear that this course is run through Moodle. We use MyLab Math for a supplementary working math problems that gives you instant feedback for homework so that you can know what you're getting right and incorrect. We also use it for a test. Now you can see there's Project 1 that is right here. Here's the document right above the link to submit. Here are some resources for 1A and 1E. Here's an assignment block for MyLab Math, but notice it says no resubmission required because you don't have to submit anything in Moodle for MyLab Math. I take care of that for you as I import your grades from MyLab Math to Moodle. If you work ahead, whatever grade you have at the moment that I import is what you'll see in Moodle, but never fear because as I import again, it will update with your better grade as you keep working on it. Notice that there are assignments in Moodle. Here's an evaluating media lab where you click on it and use a discussion forum. And then it gives you, okay, you're going to need this resources for this assignment as you keep going. There's a quiz here in Moodle. So don't just sign in, go straight to MyLab Math every single week and think that's it, because there's going to be different activities for you to participate in Moodle as well. I want to go back to the introduction page and I want to click on this link here, assignment due dates, print and keep. And you'll see it comes up in the drive. You'll see every single assignment that you have in this class, when it opens and when it is due. When it opens and when it is due. Every single one. You can see that I try to open everything for chapters 1, 2, and 3 on the 28th because they go together. They're all due something's due each week. But notice the only thing that's open different for Unit 1 is the test. And that's because I don't want a test open so long because we start violating some test securities. The possibilities are there. So the test is only open for 1 week. Notice everything is due on Thursday nights. And except the last part of the class, which is the final exam parts, because the class ends on an odd day. Okay, so this document is very important to this class. As you can see, I have MyLab Maths, Evaluating Media in Moodle, and then I tell you Unit 1, Project 1 is in Moodle. I'm having students submit MyLab Math, but they're not submitting Moodle assignments, so be careful. Very, very careful with that. Hopefully I was able to kind of guide you and lead you and direct you through this course that is run through Moodle, so that you can easily be able to find your assignments. It's very important in an online class that you are able to read instructions. I hope you guys have cleared up instructions that maybe you kind of like, what is she doing? What's going on? I know every class is different, but keep on keeping on and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much.